In this video, we're going to analyze Konata's quote from Lucky Star. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
仮想喫茶でバイト始めたって言ってたけど、そういうとこってスタイルとか良くないとダメなんじゃないの？
いやー、私もずっと胸がないのを嘆いてきたんだけどね。とあるゲームで「貧乳はステータスだ、希少価値だ!」って言ってたんだよね。言われてみると確かにそういうニーズもあるわけじゃん。私は貴重なわけよ。
ゲームがなぜそこまで自信が持てるのか知りたい。
じゃあ私も平気かな。
So today's quote is 貧乳はステータスだ、希少価値だ。Let's look at each sentence. 貧乳はステータスだ。This is a simple grammar. A は B だ meaning A is B. Wa is the particle which indicates the topic of the sentence, and da is attached to a noun or not adjective to make the statement declarative. 貧乳 means flat chest. The kanji literally means poor breast. Status means status or status symbol. It's usually used for something valuable such as a watch, car, credit card, occupation, and so on, which shows a person's social status. So she's saying having a flat chest is one of the valuable things in society. Here are some examples. 車はステータスだ meaning a car is a status symbol. ゴールドカードはお金持ちのステータスだ meaning a gold credit card is a status symbol for rich people. So 貧乳はステータスだ means a flat chest is a status symbol. The second sentence is 希少価値だ. This time the topic is omitted as it's clear that she's still talking about a flat chest. 希少価値 means precious rarity or relative value. The kanji ki means rare. Shou means few. And kachi means value. So it's used for something that rarely exists, which makes it more valuable. Here are some examples. この初音ミクのフィギュアは希少価値が高い meaning this 初音ミク figure has high rarity value. フリーマーケットで希少価値のある骨董品を見つけた meaning I found a rare and valuable antique at a flea market. So today's quote, 貧乳はステータスだ、希少価値だ means a flat chest is a status symbol. It's a precious rarity. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.